particularly their structured roadmap and strong community support and trainers' credibility that literally convinced me to join K21 Academy.
I would also like to congratulate you on clearing the Solution Architect certificate. That's a very big start. So, could you please briefly introduce yourself? Like, let's say your name, role, and also background, so that we can get an idea and what inspired you to pursue this AWS Solution Architect certification.
Well, I am Varun Dubey, and I have over approximately 20 years of experience in telecom industry. Primarily, I was working as a tech lead over there, and where I was responsible for troubleshooting of complex networks issues. And I think in September 2024, I was laid off as a part of organizational restructuring. So instead of seeking it as a setback, uh, I took it as an opportunity to pivot into cloud computing, something I had been exploring for a while. So I'm now AWS Solution Architect Associate and actively preparing for advanced certifications also, and seeking roles in the cloud domain. And giving my strong foundational in networking and infrastructure. So AWS felt me like a natural extension of my skills, you see. So I was especially drawn to the solution architect path because it aligns with my ability to design, troubleshoot, and optimize the system and networks. So this certification gave me a structured goal to work towards during my this transition journey, you see.
Yeah, that's really inspiring. Like you took a step ahead and you sort of learning this new technology, and also you have achieved solution architect certificate, right? So now,
Yeah.
yeah, could you like also tell us how did you discover the K21 Academy and what made you to choose this? Because in the market there are a lot of trainings and everything, but why did you choose K21 Academy?
Well, I found K21 Academy through social media, various social media platforms. Maybe I think on YouTube also, or on Facebook. And one of my friend also recommended me this, who was already enrolled with K21 Academy. So while researching these reliable cloud learning platforms, I found K21 Academy. So, and particularly their structured roadmap and strong community support and trainers' credibility that literally convinced me to join K21 Academy.
Yeah. Good. So good to hear that you have a clear point of view that why you selected K21. So could you also tell us what was your like how is your overall experience with us and like where the live sessions and labs and support helpful to you in your certification preparation?
Yes, the experience was has been very enriching for me. The mix of these live sessions, recording videos, and hand-on labs. The mentors also helped me a lot, and they already made this learning process very engaging and very practical by their demonstrating skills. So they have literally made it a easy pathway.
How did our trainers help you to make AWS concepts easier to understand? Because you also told you were working in a different background and you tried to switch to the cloud. So, like, could you tell us how the sessions were helpful to you to understand all the concepts?
Yeah, the actually the trainers are really like experienced trainers. Like, one should I say, they are not they are not the newbies into training and teaching. They really come from such a background. Also, you could say they are well experienced in teaching. So these trainers use you could say real world scenarios. They use whiteboards, and they clear analogies to break down the complex AWS services to make student understand it in a easy way, in a easy manner. I think their industry inside also helped me think beyond the exam and focus on actual implementation of these AWS services.
Yeah, that's so good to hear, and also it's nice. So, did you face any challenges during the course? Like, how did you overcome them? Like, if you have faced any challenges?
Pretty much, yes. Shifting to a completely new domain post layoff came with emotional and you see financial pressure also. I was double minded whether I should continue searching for jobs into my previous domain only, or should I change my line from telecom into IT sector? So that was really a difficult and a challenging thing for me. Uh, but I created a study schedule and engaged in peer discussions and reminded myself really why I started this. So that really helped me, and the consistency was a key as always.
Okay, I'm very sure that hearing this, lot of trainees also would get inspired by your journey. So, like, how did you prepare for your exam and how long did it take for you? We all know solution architect is a big step to take, and to be like to stay consistent. Like, how did you prepare for your exam and what were the strategies which you made yourself to clear this exam in the first try?
Here, actually, I joined K21 Academy in last week of August 2024, as what I remember. And in September 2024, I got laid off. I was serving the notice period in the company. And then my regular classes started in September or October, maybe. And then due to certain reasons, I completed that course for AWS Solution Architect. I think January, it was ended in January. And then after, due to my father's health issues and few of more family problems, I got stuck for at least 3 months. I was literally cut off from all studies and all my schedule. And you see, I think this thing happens to each and everyone. Whenever you are having a downfall, you have to face it, and you get to go more deeper into that downfall. So these 3 months were really painful for me, and I literally used to think that what I have done, I'm wasting my time this way. But uh, that was truly unavoidable situation for me. So then after 3 months, I think in February, March, April, since April again, I started working onto my studies course and hands-on labs and everything. And it took around me 10 to 12 weeks of focused efforts. I again went through all the recorded sessions, recorded videos of K21 Academy's weekly plan. I followed the weekly plan also, and I tried to attend the live sessions also, and I again practiced all the AWS labs which are available in the website, and took certain mock tests also. And you see, I did everything twice. So I did, and again I am sometime I feel you see, it is I don't know, my personal feeling is like I still maybe lack somewhere. So I again started doing labs and hands-on sessions from K21 Academy website. So yeah, it took me somewhat around 10 to 12 weeks of focused efforts, you could say.
Yeah, and the point which I liked here is like you tried to do all of it twice, because if we read or if we understand it once, it is hard for us to remember, right? If we brush up it again,
Correct.
it'll be fixed in the mind and we can try to learn it more, even better.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes,
yes, that's awesome.
very true.
Yeah. And like apart from these hands-on labs and everything, like did the practice tests help you? Like, do you feel like the questions which you did in the practice tests were also like helpful in the real exam?
Yeah, practice tests I have taken, and to be very frank, I have also taken some mock interview and practice tests from AWS website also. I referred there also, being onto free tier only, because AWS itself offers you subscription. So I haven't taken any subscription from AWS. Whatever I did it from K21 Academy website only.
So like, yes, you have already cleared your certification, and how is it impacting on your career right now? Like, has it made any change?
Well, it's being, I think, only 10 days I have cleared but yes, I feel like it is affecting very much, because it helped me to reposition myself, you could see, in the job market. After I prepared my resume again, and I mentioned that I have completed my certification. So yes, it helps me to reposition myself in the job market, and I have started getting few calls also for cloud
Nice.
roles, and I am actively building my portfolio, my LinkedIn again, to show my employers my hands-on skills and everything.
Yeah, that's really great. Like you're working on it every like single day and yeah, building your profile and improving the skills, right?
Uh, yeah, actually, being unemployed, or you could say unemployment, is also a kick you get every day. You feel
Yes.
every day.
Yeah, we should be
So
having some driving
being
force.
yeah, so being unemployed is really tough, really tough.
So I hope, yeah, you will like get calls and also your desired job very
Uh,
soon.
yeah, by God grace, I'm hoping so.
Yeah. So like, what are your next goals after this certification? Is it you're looking for a job actively, or you're planning to do another certification like in advanced technologies?
Yeah, I am actively searching for job first, because you see, unless I get a paycheck, I won't be able to do further certifications or further studies, because these certifications also need money. You see,
Yeah.
so building onto my career for 20 years of experience in networking and infrastructures. My next focus is to strengthen my cloud skill set in the areas that complement my past work. You see,
Yeah.
so that it could be in a chain. My previous experience could also be counted uh, into for my next assignment. So I'm also diving deeper into Terraform and Kubernetes also, since most of the job applications and job descriptions I receive from the recruiters, they really require, particularly in India. I don't know about the international market, but in India they really require a strong knowledge of infrastructure as code and
Exactly.
containers orchestration. So
Yeah.
additionally, I am also exploring the AWS security services, because security and compliances, I have always been core part of my earlier assignments, you could see, or whatever assignment I got in telecom industry. So
Mhm.
understanding network protocols and access controls and incident responses. So uh, these areas align well with cloud security fundamentals, and I see it as a natural progression of my existing expertise.
So, like, what are your like final thoughts? Like, would you recommend K21 Academy to others, and why would you do that? Or if you have any quick tips for the learners who are currently preparing for the solution architect certification, yeah, if you could tell us few, that would be helpful.
No, there is no doubt. It's like it's without a doubt. I would recommend K21 Academy to my colleagues, my friends, my juniors, or whosoever uh, is willing to switch their careers into cloud networking or into from telecom to IT sectors. So uh, it's like whether you are a beginner or someone switching careers like me. This K21 Academy provide a strong foundation with practical knowledge, real-time support, and a community that keeps you motivated to move ahead. Regarding tips for learners, it's hard, but yeah, just I would just like to say, stick to the roadmap provided by K21 Academy and the mentors. Don't skip the lab. Practice the lab continuously. AWS is all about hands-on experience, nothing else. So you do it once, you do it twice, you do it thrice. Doesn't matter. You have to be like continuously attached to the AWS website.
Yeah.
That website changes gradually. You won't even know that when which service had gone and which service came into the market again. So don't skip the labs. Use practice tests to refine your weak areas. Uh, uh, Join the community groups for peer learnings, and stay consistent and trust the process. Your efforts will pay off.
Yeah. So thank you so much for sharing all this experience, and it is really good, and I feel happy to hear that you have achieved, and also K21 has helped you so much in your learning journey. And also, I wish you a very good luck in your job search. And yes, that's all. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
thank you, thank you, Deepthi, and thank you, Atul and team. Thank you, Fareen, for all your kind support and motivations.